So we had to start putting out food early for them because they were coming around, mamas and babies were coming around like mid-afternoon to start eating. And well, lo and behold, here they are, the early bird getting the worm. I mean, we'll put some more out. More will definitely be out tonight. But it's always such a pleasure to see them eating, chowing down. And then they'll go play in the water. They'll play in the pool there. They get it all dirty. I clean it out every morning. Put fresh water in for them. But they're our babies. Somebody getting a little feisty there. Come on back, little one. There's plenty of food. Get it now while you can, because later on it'll all be gone. Well, I'll let them feast in peace.